Tell the people, Yard Style family, are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Good morning, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Yard Style Fishing Adventure. This morning, me out here, as I can see, I'm me alone. I go try find a little clean spot to do a solo dive. The water kind of murky outside here this morning at this location. But nevertheless, I go suit up, I go jump in and see if I can find if I have one fish, alright? This is going to be my first dive since this year start. And I'm planning on heading to a new location. So hopefully I'll find some great spots at that location to do some interesting contents for you guys. So when that time come, I'll let you know exactly what is going on. So for now, I just go get suit up and I go jump into the water. Alright, so stay tuned. So we're back at it again, hunting in the Caribbean Sea. Here I saw my first fish, a stinning grouper, that's what we call this one. I took a headshot and I got that one. Here I came upon a school of chubfish, a small school of chubfish. I didn't really want to take any of these today. As it was not a bright, clear day in the water, I decided on searching very hard because I needed to find at least a fish or two. Just taking some random dives, hoping for something big to pop up. These blue-colored fish are called purple parrots. Now in this dive, you will see me working on a special technique right here. So take a nice, decent, slow drop. If you notice, I made it all the way to the floor, nice and relaxed and settled. Now right here, yes, making the grunting sound and dusting as well. If you notice, when I just made the drop, there wasn't any fish. Now there's a lot of fish coming out from underneath the rocks. I chose nice doctor fish. I took a shot a bit too early and I barely grazed the fish. It actually got off the spear. If you look carefully, you can see a huge green eel coming from underneath the rock. Here I'm working on the same technique, diving down to the floor, waiting, just looking around nice and easy. Here I saw a fish that I wanted to take, so I took a dive, waited on that fish to come over. Using the same technique, took the shot, a decent shot, and I got that one. Here you can see me using this same technique. Made a drop on top of the reef, close to the edge. Made it all the way to the floor. Waited there nice and easy. Look carefully, fishes are coming over. Working on the same technique here again. Here comes a fish that I want to take. And I took the shot, a decent shot, and I got that one. Now with this technique, whenever you make the drop to the ocean floor, remain there steady. You can dust and grunt. The fishes get curious and swim over to see what is over there. Here I saw a huge school of surgeon fish mixed with some parrotfish and some other fishes. There was like on the other reef across from the one that I'm on top of right now. I made the drop trying to use the technique, but these fishes didn't came close enough. Now as you can see, I'm on top of the reef close to the edge, waiting to see if anything would come over. Didn't see anything in the direction I was looking. Then I glanced to the left. I realized that there was a fish coming over that I wanted to take. So I actually turned and I took a decent shot at that fish as well. Now this was my first and only deep dive of the day. This was about 30 feet. So I went down there, didn't see a fish before I went down, but I took the dive anyway because this is a potential spot, and it's also a spot where I've found fish before. So I went down, I saw a couple small fishes I didn't want to take. It's a parrotfish, didn't want to take any more of those. That's a moonshine snapper right there, didn't want to take that one either. So I went back to the top. Right here, I saw a jack, so I made a dive on it. And right here, you can see me trying to line up the shot as the jack was swimming from left to right. I lined it up, took the shot, it was a decent headshot. I got that one. I made a random dive and I was looking around. I looked to the left, I saw a lobster went underneath that hole. So I released one of my rubber bands, finished diving down to the spot, saw the lobster, lined it up, took a shot, and I got that one as well. This one is also another random dive. Close to the end of my dive, I decided I was going to do a few more dives than I was going to head out. And on this dive, I saw a doctor fish that I wanted to take. So I lined it up, took a decent headshot as well, and I got that one. So this was the last fish I shot, and it was actually the end of the dive. So see you for the cook up. Yeah, I come out here now. Yeah. Alright now guys, so as you can see, come back out of the water and thing. Yeah. So right now it wasn't a bad dive. Today was mainly to, you know, working back myself because as I said before, I'm diving a while, more than a month now. Yeah, so today was my first for this year, and it was good. As you can see in the video, but I do some like mostly shallow dives and things, and working on the techniques and all of that, and it was a comfortable dive. I think I find enough fish, so I decided to come out. And I think I need more than what I catch today, so I just decided to cut the dive right there. So I'm going to head on out right now. Alright, but before I head on out, I'm going to show you what I catch today. Yeah man, peeps, so this I catch idea. Catch one lobster, one jack, catch 2 red belly, and one here we call it a tobacco parrot, that's what me call it. However, since me know I saw them names, so if you know the correct name for that one, you can let me know. Yeah, me catch one doctor fish, and this is the first fish we catch, a scorpion fish. So I think me have enough. Yeah man, this is good for me right now. Yeah. Yeah people, so I go head on home here now. Yeah man, when we reach home I go clean up them fish and see if I can do a cook up, alright? So stay tuned. Some sheep there people. Alright now peeps, so as you can see me out on the seaside, I changed my mind about going up to clean up the fish them. So I go clean them up right out on the seaside, yeah? I leave my knife, but I go use my scissors and clean up the fish them. Yeah, people, so finish with that. I go head on up here now. See if we can do a cook up. Yeah, I don't know what I do yet still, but that's something nice, like always. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Heading up now. You know, peeps, so we reach home and thing. I'm gonna fry up some of them fish. Yeah? Just gonna fry up the fish them. That's it. Just regular fry fish. Probably just eat with a piece of bread. And that's it for the day, yeah? So stay tuned. Yeah, peeps, so I'm gonna catch up the fire here now. You can see what I'm going. Outside cooking, you know, we're not going inside today. Outside cooking. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, as you can see, we just catch a fire. I wait for the fire to blaze up and thing, then get on the pot, season up the fish them and thing. But I love the vibe here right now. We're just there. Me alone are going easy back. And the place just quiet and nice. You know, you can hear the fowl and the bird them and everything. Fowl here look so much really people. Yeah, people, see what I go and see fish them. I have 2 pieces of yam here, so I'm going to roast them there. I'm going to fry the fish them, alright? Yeah, man. Alright, so in the meantime, I just go let the yam go and roast while I season up the fish them. Alright, now people, so season up the fish them, get them frying, and I just decide to boil 1 piece of the yam, because I just me alone. This a parrot here, called tobacco parrot. First, I gotta actually eat one of them. Yeah. Alright, now people, so I gotta add some seasoning. I just use a variety of seasoning when I see Judas have in there. Some of them not even know what I want. I just cheap it to make me use it. I don't know what them are. This hour. I don't know. Pink fish. Paprika this. Another day I know people just a paprika that everything I put on. Look how that pretty. See that? Yeah. This I know. How are this? Oh, this is cinnamon. This is cinnamon, people. I put some pan the same way. Cinnamon fish. It does be like me eye good today. Watch out now. Curry fry fish. Curry fry fish, people. Different kind in a color. Yeah. I rub them up now for this evening. All of them. Some good in my belly. Just like that. When you cook, you can't afraid to nasty up your hand, you know. Cook, just make sure your hands are clean. You do what you need to do. There. Ready for fry. So I put on the pot with the oil now. And that's it. Yeah, peeps, all the lobster we have fried here now. Everything I get fried today. I'm going to rinse out this and come back. Yeah man, say I'll go in my pot now. Hey peeps, so fish are going in the island now. The island well hot. People normally when I fry fish, when you put them in the oil, you move them around so they don't stick up, you know. Like in our countryside, we have everything that we surrounding, you know. So flavor up your food. Little beef time. Just a quick piece, 2 leaf out of it, you know. Beef time, nice flavor. So I wash off them and drop 1 piece in that set away fry and 1 in a minute. Yeah pizza, today it's all about flavor, you know. That's nice. Yeah pizza, never turn them around. That's the unbroke. That's a wing broke. Alright, that's it. Yeah, people, so now check out them now. Yeah. Well ready. Well fried. Yeah. Next one and next two. Two of them are from one time. Two come one time. Alright, so for the lobster, I just go drop some of them in it. Fry. Paprika. What that? Some curry. And real Dolly was cooking this, yeah. Real Dolly pot. That's just how I feel like doing it today. That's anything. What people them like outside cooking with your black pot, actually one baking thing on the wood fire. Alright, now people, the fish them fry. So now give me mother that one. I don't never eat them yet. But a parrot fish. I'll give you that one there. I'm going to take the small one. Yeah. Yep. So another lobster. You know, people, I'm going to take off the lobster. Nice bone fish. Yeah, peeps, so today I just feel easy going, I don't feel enough food or them kind of thing. I just feel like to fry the fish and the lobster and just have that. So that is what I'm having today. Tasty lobster. The peeps is nice and different flavors that come out tonight where never normally would have taste. Them taste like a cinnamon, can't taste the beef time in the same way. And they look nice to see them like how it tastes. Good day. Look at that. Real nice and juicy. I'm going to save that for last. I'll save the lobster for last. Right, let me see where the fish are going with that now. Like that. We're ready. Taste and see okay. Right. And real taste nice. Same way with the flavour them, the cinnamon and the thyme. Well seasoned down. Come. Jug. You don't get on, come. Yes, jug. Yeah, we got it now. Soon get peace, hold on. No, go on, come on. I'll wait. So. Alright, so. The people, well ready. Well ready and nice. Well nice. Come here, picture. Come here. Come. What's that? You can't go and eat that again. No, I get none. Go feed it. Go and feed. Come. Yeah, peeps, my cat and my dog I eat fish there. Cat a deal with the fish over there. So. Yeah, Pete, I tell her this bad, well bad. Very nice lobster, you know, lobster are too mad. That better roll out of flesh. Well juicy and nice. Yeah, man. You piece me and they all messed up and thing. So you go eat where I eat, you know. I don't know. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the post notification so you'll be notified when I post a video. And as I said before, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Alright, we're heading to 10k. And I want to say a shout out to all my loyal subscribers. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to everybody who support this channel. Alright, so stay tuned for the next one from Yard Style Fishing. Fire the pan. Like you go up. No look bad. Bony yam. If you scrape it don't go away again yam. Right now this nice enough twiggy see there?
Man in there. Roll some fire, man.
Yeah.
You know me, I go, you know. Roll it up?
You plant back here?
Yes, man.
I want you to tell them boys say I want some yam to dash back in the gully here, you know.
You will never plan it back.
Alright people, so we have fish already, you know. And just remember say yam in the fire. So see me just scrape off it. You see what I go and feed. Yes, it don't look bad. Look like you can eat. Yes, you can see what I go and feed. See there? Roast winter yam. Come in Judas. One taste roast winter. Yeah, be hot. Mind the bone, yo.
Good. Where do you want that sauce, you know?
Roast winter.
You eat more, you know? If you have man, it's different.
People twiggy forward, you know. Twiggy, yeah.
Yeah, man.
I eat roast winter.
No, say, I'm checking, I have calling copy bars, you know. Yeah, man.